Artificial intelligence is changing the world around us. Those who can harness the power of AI will have the tools to unlock rich new business opportunities in every industry.
But what are these new opportunities? Industries are looking for knowledgeable product managers, but few product managers have AI experience.
The new AI Product Manager Nanodegreered program from Udacity prepares students for life as AI product managers, giving a baseline understanding in major AI fields,
Teaching students how to build AI-powered products and bring value to their business using AI. You shall learn how to identify business opportunities for AI and create metrics to evaluate the success of potential AI products.
You'll learn to build AI models using automated machine learning. And the best part is, there's no coding required. You'll build models using Google AutoML and develop unique data sets on Figure 8's data annotation platform.
AI is changing our world, and its impact on future products will unlock vast new opportunities.
Be at the forefront of the AI revolution. Enroll in Udacity's AI Product Manager Nanodegreered program today.